on your camera. Where is roll number 2? Please, roll number 2, please turn on your camera. Okay, so which topic you have prepared for the Viva?
થોડું બેઝિક વાંચ્યું.
થોડું બેઝિક 5 નંબરે થોડું બેઝિક વાંચ્યું છે. What about 6 and 7? Same. તમે બી બેઝિક અને 6 નંબર બી બેઝિક. What about roll number 2? Okay, so let us start with roll number 2. Roll number 2, can you tilt down your camera so that I can see you? Yes, roll number 2. Am I audible to you? Hello, roll number 2. Am I audible to you? Hello, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us start with roll number 2. I think roll number 2 is not interested. We will be going to roll number 5. Yes, roll number 5. Can you tell me what is point of difference between microcontroller and a microprocessor?
Microcontroller contains CPU, input, output, memory, and that all things in one chip. But the microprocessor, it has only the CPU in it.
Okay, so can you tell me which microprocessor we have studied in this subject?
8085.
And which microcontroller we have studied in this subject?
8 mega 32.
8 mega 32. Okay, roll number 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you tell me what is the difference between RAM and ROM?
ROM is read only. RAM is volatile memory.
Okay, RAM is volatile memory. So what do you mean by volatile memory?
It temporarily stores the file.
Okay, so the memory which store the file temporary is volatile memory. Is it so? Okay, 7 number. Which are the different type of memories available in our AVR? Seven number, am I audible to you?
Sir, yes, sir. EE Pro and
EEPROM,
program memory and
program memory,
data memory,
data memory, then
EEPROM.
that you told EEPROM. Okay. So what is the different use of this all memories? What are the uses of this? If I talk about program memory, for what purpose this program memory is used?
Sir, program memory is for permanent storing.
Yes, but what we are going to store permanently?
For storing RAM.
RAM. RAM is in all a different type of memory.
RAM. Sir, data memory is also called RAM and used for temporary stored data.
Okay. Yes, roll number 2. Hello, roll number 2. Hello, roll number 2. Yes, number 5.
Yes, sir.
What is the size of program memory in our AVR microcontrollers?
64 kilobyte.
64 kilobyte. Okay. How we can say that it is 64 kilobyte?
32 kilobytes. 32 kilobytes, sir.
32 kilobyte. Okay. So if program memory is 32 kilobyte, what would be the size of program counter?
Program counter. Uh, sir, 32 kilobytes.
Program counter is size means what would be the length of program counter?
Sir, no idea.
Okay. What is program counter?
It a program counter stores the instruction that will be executed next, or it will store the instruction that is going to be executed.
Okay. Yes. 6 number.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by stack pointer?
Stack pointer. Hmm. It is a small register
How?
which stores the address.
Okay. How much small register it is? If it is a small register, how much small? 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 3 kilogram.
Maybe 8-bit.
Maybe 8 bit.
I'm not sure, sir.
Okay. Roll number 7.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by risk?
Risk.
Hmm.
So it is a type of microprocessor architecture.
Hmm. But what is its full form?
Sir, reduce instruction set computer.
What it means? Yes. Roll number 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you mean by risk?
और नहीं आता है
Okay. Roll number 5.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by risk?
Sir, it is a reduced instruction set computer. It is a type of microcontroller which has more register in it as compared to CISC, and it executes faster than CISC.
Okay. More register means how many number of registers?
It has 32 registers in it.
Okay. Okay. And how you can execute the program faster?
Sir, it has clock cycle. The time that it contains to clock cycle is less as is taken by it is less as compared to CISC
Mm-hmm.
to
Okay.
perform.
Okay. Okay. So can you name some of the features of RISC architecture?
Uh, risk architecture, sir. Sir, it has more register, and then execution cycle is faster than as compared to CISC. Then yes, no more idea.
Roll number 6.
Yes, sir.
What is the size of instruction in a RISC? Instruction size.
In risk. 4-bit.
Bit, yeah,
4
byte.
byte.
Okay, 7 number. What would be the size of instruction in RISC?
What, sir?
Size of instructions.
In RISC,
RISC.
sir, 4 byte or 32 bits.
Okay. 5 number. Okay, 2 number. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What would be the size of instructions in RISC?
सर नहीं पता है सर, मैंने रिप्रेजेंट नहीं किया है आपको
Okay.
कॉल पे।
5 number. 5 number.
Yes, sir.
What would be the size of instruction in RISC?
32 bits. Four.
Okay, fine. Tell the other next 4 student to join the Viva session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सर।
Hello, where is 9 number? Hello? Hello? Hello, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so please turn on your camera. Hello, please turn on your camera, please. Yes, 9 number. Please turn on your camera. Okay. So, what you have prepared for the Viva session? Hello. Okay. So let us start with roll number 9. Hello, 9. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me which microcontroller we have studied in our subject?
AVR.
AVR, and which particular chip of AVR we have studied? Yes, 11 number.
Yes, sir. We have studied at Mega 32 and 8085 microprocessor.
Okay, so in at Mega 32, how many number of general purpose registers are there?
Sir, 32.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I talk about LDI instruction, which registers I can use for LDI? LDI instruction, LDI instruction માટે if I want use કરવું હોય તો કયા registers આપણે use કરવા જોઈએ?
No idea, sir.
Okay. 12 number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I want to access RAM of my AVR, which register will
Yes.
help me to access RAM?
Access RAM.
RAM. Okay, what do you mean by RAM?
RAM is random access memory.
Okay, and what is the size of RAM in our ATmega 32?
Mega 32.
Thirty number. Hello, 13 number?
Yes, sir. 64K.
64K. Okay. What do you mean by a stack pointer?
Sir, is a 16-bit register works like a stack. It is increment, decrement.
Okay. So, in which condition I need to initialize the stack pointer? When I need to initialize the stack pointer?
Sir, push or pop operation.
That is only the thing. Okay. What do you mean by push and pop operation?
No idea.
Yes, 9 number. What do you mean
Yes,
by
sir.
push and pop? What do you mean by push and pop?
Sir, no idea.
Okay. What is the size of flash memory in our AVR ATmega 32?
16-bit.
Size of flash memory. Yes, 11 number. What is the size of flash memory in our AVR ATmega
Sir,
32?
32 kilobytes.
Okay. And what is the size of program counter?
Sir, 16 bytes.
Byte. What do you mean by program counter?
Sir, program counter.
Yes,
Sir,
12 number.
program-
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by program counter?
Sir, it contains a memory address.
Which memory address? Yes, 12 number. Which memory address it contains? Yes,
It
13
contains the memory address of next instruction.
Yes, 13 number. What is the, yeah,
Yes, sir.
what is the size of program counter?
Sir, 32 kilo 32 kilobytes.
Program counter ની size 32 kilobyte હોય. Okay, 9 number. Number 9.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by assembler directives? Yes, 11 number. What do you mean by assembler directives?
Sir, it is used for used in assembly code.
Anything else?
Sir, it can be executable or either in library format.
Executable or like. Okay, can you name few of assembler directives?
No, sir.
Any idea? Okay, you can leave. Tell the other students to join.
Okay, sir.
Yes, 40 number. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay, please can you turn on your camera?
No, wait a minute. I have to attach my camera. Just 1 minute.
And what about 15 number? Please inform him that please do join this lab session.
Okay.
Where is 15 number?
No idea.
So please make a call to him. Yes, 15 number, please turn on your camera. Okay, what you have prepared for the Viva? 14 and 15. What you have prepared for the Viva? Okay, 14 number. Which microprocessor we have studied in this subject?
8085.
8085. And which microcontroller we have studied in this subject? Have we studied microcontroller in this subject?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
તો કયું માઇક્રોકન્ટ્રોલર ભણ્યા આપણે? Okay, what is full form of ROM?
Read only memory.
What is full form of RAM?
Random access memory.
What is full form of EEPROM?
What is full form of EEPROM?
E square prom or EEPROM.
Erasable programmable.
Huh? Erasable programmable? Okay, which are the memories available in our ATmega 32? Which are the memories available in ATmega 32? એટલે ATmega 32 માં કઈ કઈ મેમરી હોય યાર? 15 નંબર.
ખબર નહીં.
એટલે 14 નંબર. Which are the memories available in ATmega 32?
No idea.
No idea? फेल कर देश તમને यार. Fail, I will fail you. કઈક તો વાંચીને આવો. વાયવા માટે મજાક ચાલે છે વાયવા છે એટલે પછી મોહ પાડશો કે માર્ક્સ નહીં આવતા, ગ્રેડ નહીં થતા. એકાદ મેમરીનું નામ તો દઈ દો કે જે એવીઆર માં અવેલેબલ છે.
EEPROM એ બધી મેમરી જોઈએ.
શું?
EEPROM ને એ બધી.
મને નહીં ખબર. તમે ભણ્યા છો, હું ભણ્યો છું.
ભણાયા છે ને અમને.
હા એટલે હું તો ભણાઈને ભૂલી જાઉં છું. મારે થોડી પરીક્ષા આપવાની છે. પરીક્ષા કોને આપવાની છે? મારે આપવાની, તમારે આપવાની. હા તો યાદ કોને રાખવાનું? મારે કે તમારે? તો કોઈ EEPROM છે ખરેખર? એવીઆર માં EEPROM હોય છે?
EEPROM એટલે erasable read only memory એવું કંઈક.
હારું હારું, વાંધો નહીં. નેક્સ્ટ યર ફરી મળીએ આપણે વાયવા માટે. બરાબર છે?
આવું શું કરો સર?
તો હું શું કરું યાર? તમે કઈ કરતા નથી તો આઈ મસ્ટ હેવ ટુ ડુ સમથિંગ. ચલો, એવીઆર વિશે કઈ બી 5 વસ્તુ તમે જાણતા હોય કહી દો. જસ્ટ ટેલ મી the 5 different things that you know about AVR. જે 3 બોલશે એના વધારે માર્ક્સ, જે 2 બોલશે એના થોડા ઓછા માર્ક્સ. પાંચ વસ્તુ. જે બી કંઈ ખબર હોય તમને AVR માઇક્રો કંટ્રોલર વિશે. નથી ખબર તો ના કહો, આપણા બેનનો ખોટો ટાઈમ બગડે છે.
हमारे नहीं आइडिया
હા,
नहीं आइडिया हमारे
you don't have idea? This is a very nice answer that all of you are prepared for every question. कोई भी question पूछो, sir, I don't have idea. So what idea you have, just tell us. These are the ideas we are having. Okay, you can leave. See you next time. હા, કઈ ખબર હોય તો કોને, આમ ખાલી આપણે એકબીજાને જોયા કરીશું તો કેમનું પતશે આ? કહી દો મન સર આટલી આટલી વસ્તુ ખબર છે.
હમણાં સર ઓફલાઈન હોત ને તો જવાબ આલતા હતા, તો કશી ખબર જ નહીં પડતી શું કરવાનું.
એવું છે તો અહીંયા આવી જાવ કોલેજમાં ભણવા માટે, બીજું શું કહીએ.
વચ્ચે આયેલા તો પાછું બંધ કરાયું ને.
એવું છે. સારું, ચલો, હોપ that the situation will become in our favor very soon and we can meet in the class as soon as possible. Okay, see you. No issue, you can leave this session.
તો મેલા દીધી વેક્સિન